Hello and good afternoon. And my name is Monotosh Roy. I'm working on IBCS Primex and head of software solution. Basically, it's called name Bespoke. Okay. And today I'll be present on system analysis and design on the accounting systems. So you know that and very well. So accounting system is very important to any integrated solutions like in business solutions, and you can be develop and customization ERP solutions, and you can be develop the MIS for the government, and you can be develop on the your business solutions. Okay, so how to start the system analysis and design on the accounting systems? So today I'll be present on the three parts. So today I'll be present on the three parts. One part is foundation or for basic of accounting system. Okay, basics of accounting processes. And second, I will be present on and data analysis and developing tables. Okay, developing the tables. Third is the configuration. Okay, third is the configurations. Fourth is the and some simulations or demo. Okay, demo presentations. And third is the implementation process. Finally is the go live sessions. Okay, go live section. So I'll be present on the basically three parts. One thing is this is the one part, and another things for the two part. This is the three part. So it is the step by step I will be present. Now I will be present on this part only. Okay, basic of the accounting systems is very, and basic of the accounting system is you know that an accounting is like that loss or like that asset or income, you know that everywhere, you know that is and our expenses, and also our revenue, and then minus will be our income, right? So but accounting some have some mechanisms, so you can be divided different part of different silo, like that pocket is a manage your pocket, so your book pocket and your back pocket, so manage your money, so whose money will be safe for you. Okay, and also reorganize way. So basically your basic of accounting systems is one thing is the you know that asset. Okay, asset is very important. This is the asset is so whenever will be, and our basic main thing is system analysis, so is the asset is the class. Okay, is our main class is asset. Okay, another class is main class is like that liabilities. Okay, is a liabilities is another class. Okay, and another class for an income. Okay, final is expense. Okay, this is the expense. So it's four classes. So I'll be we could organize the classes, main classes. So main classes. Okay, main classes is one classes is the an asset, another liabilities, and also expenses. Okay, good. So this is the your main classes. So this is the main classes. So you need to be the one class is the main classes. Okay, so I will be present on. So why classes? Classes means you like that you will be your class 1. Okay, and you will be class 2, you will be class 3. So is some organized. Okay, that is a class. Okay, basically now I'll be show to you class under the some section. You know that is a class have the section like that class 1 but have the section 1 2, but more effectively manage your class, right? So is have the section is name there. So like that, one class is asset, but have the section like that is a current asset is another section. And fixed asset is different section. Okay, and like that cash and cash accounting is a different section, and bank accounting is a different sections, and deposit also is a, and also receivables is a different section. Okay, receivables is different sections, so receivable is different sections. So that is the you can be, and also you can be put here. This is the current asset. Basically this is the current asset silo. Okay, this is the current asset. Okay, this is the current asset, also asset. This is the current asset. Okay, this is the current asset. Bank account also you the current asset. This is the you can be just organized. This is the for organized. Okay, very simple. So now I will be so this is the is creating the accounts, and you can be the liabilities is a short term liabilities, and also like that is and short term liabilities, short term liabilities or long term liabilities. Okay, long term liabilities. Long term liabilities. So this is the grouping, no, is grouping. And also same as, and you can be the income also, the like income also is a different, is a pocket is there, like that is or like that is direct and the indirect income or direct income, like that indirect income. Also you can be the is revenue income. Okay, expense like that is direct expense or indirect expense, and also admin expense, and payroll expense, and payroll expense. So you can put different type of expense. Okay, so why this is called the, I will be talk about this is called for the now I will be talk, this is the current asset, this is the receivables, all things have a the group. Okay, so I will be called, this is called group. So one is the class under the group. Okay, class under the group. Okay, this is the class is top and group is under, and under is the group. So when we will be in the group, whenever we will be put the GL under the group, this is the ending point. Okay, so like that I will be put, this is called Monotosh is a our current asset, like that is Shomoy Roy is a current asset, is a like the client is current asset, like that bank. Okay, and Mr. X ABC is bank, and Mr. and office cash is another is bank, is like that AB bank and HSBC Bank. Okay, this is the for final, this is for the final is final transaction in under the class. So this is called a GL. Okay, this is called a GL. This is called a GL. So I'll be talk, this is called group, and this is called group, this is called GL, is means general ledger. Okay, general ledger. Okay, So general ledger is a final transaction details. So you can understand, I think this is the grouping of the, and it is the design of the accounting, but all accounts calculation goes to the fixed asset, but I will be the separate, no, is a section, like section, so it's more organized. So this is a group, okay, group under the group, so you can be easily find the particular sections, okay? That's why I will be creating the group, and every company will be creating the group, that's why, okay? So now this is the your organized will be created, and different silo is created under the class. This is called the chart of account, okay? This is called the chart, CA is chart of account, okay? Chart of accounts, okay? This is called chart of account. It's very simple, okay? This is called the chart of account. This is called the chart of account. So this is called chart of account. So now I will be talk about is, you know, our developers and engineers sometimes will be confused what is the debit, what is the credit, okay? You know that is main 3-4 classes, okay? Is a expense, liabilities and income. So 3 classes, and debit and credit is different scenario, okay? Different types of characteristic, like that whenever will be class is 5, there is math will be, is scenario will be different, and when it will be goes to the 6, and method will be different, like that. I will show some example, okay? So it will be, this is the very simple, this is the asset, huh? Whenever will be asset side NT any GL, so is always debit is will be increase and credit is decrease, okay? It's very simple method, okay? And liabilities is like that. Now will be liabilities is a debit side is in decrease and credit side is increase, and equity is same, debit side is increase and credit side is decrease, okay? So I'll be show to another chart the asset liabilities per on your equity. Is same thing will be happened. Is own equities is the paid up capitals and retained earnings. You know that retail earnings is basically it is come from the profit and loss accounts, okay? Expenses and revenues, okay? So I think it's very simple. So you will be understanding the chart, okay? So now I will be present on how to the design, okay? And this is I will be present on now. This is the data analysis and developing tables, okay? So I will be design, this is the part 1, okay? Design the part 1, so this part I will be present now. So how? So this is I will develop. This is the data analysis and design. Already data, some data is analysis is main classes, group and also GLs. So you think about how many tables is required. I think class is, group is required, and GL is required, okay, right? And one is the transaction table is required, okay? Like I showed, I open Excel file. This is Excel file, I think opening Excel file. Okay, good. This is the Excel file. So already I am creating the one class is class underscore masters. This is the class ID and class name and order status basically. So it is depends upon the setting by users basically, okay? It is not the, it is setting by users. And another class is for the group master is a already shown to you, and under the is class and with subclass and order it, okay? And GL is final transaction classes is there, okay? And GL transaction class. and this is the serial number, auto row numbers, and also this is for the journal numbers and journal types. Type is another setting table is there. The journal type like that, type name, voucher, like the cash payment, like that voucher 1 is the cash payment voucher. Okay, this is the setting. 2 is bank payment voucher, like that. Okay, so that type of settings basically, not more. Okay, so this is the settings, and this is the your dimension is very important. Dimension basically is based on the project wise entry. Okay, this is the project wise entry, like that dimension code is 1, like that project 1, and it is base yes, and status is yes. Okay, is 2, project 2, yes, and yes. Okay, yes, basically yes, active. Okay, so you can be the separate your accounting and profit loss accounting is by project wise and also by cost center wise. This is called the dimension. These are GL code, transactions, and voucher entry date, and payment terms, and also bank payment, voucher, check number, check date, memo. Also the process is not, and you can be post and first time will be entry, then will be approved, finally post, and status, entry by, entry update, and update by. Okay, very simple. Okay, very simple. So now I will put some data from the voucher 1 and voucher 2, so you can be find easily. So your what is the your status in the like that cash. Okay, so I will be show to you my accounting like that in the code. What is the status now? So our is 2, accounting code is the cash. Cash is now is like that, show how much is like that. Our cash is now 950. So you can be easily filter and show your accounting. Okay, very simple way. This is a very simple process. Okay, so I think you will be understanding how many tables is required for the design the accounting software. Okay, so I will copy and paste. This is for the tables, or I can be okay, no need to that. I will be snippet tool, using snippet tools, and update and paste into. Okay, okay, good. So I think you will be so created the first tutorials. Okay, there is a configurations. Okay, so now can I show now? I will be save this picture also. I will upload my Facebook also. Table, table design. Good. Okay, now I will be, and the second part is for the configurations. Okay, configuration is required into the real demo. This configuration is basically configuration is required. Configuration. Now is configuration is required, basically is a real demo. So now will be configuration. First of all, the so configuration is checklist. Okay, checklist is required. First of all, checklist is required. Checklist is required. Checklist is required for like that. First of all, is the customer list into Excel. Okay. okay. Then is supplier list into Excel, chart of account list into Excel with group name, closing balance, depend upon clients, they can be put later. And also item master into Excel, but I can put BI customer master and customer masters and chart of account master, okay? And I'll be this is into the Excel into Excel, and also required tax setting policy, tariff setting policy, tariff setting policy is required, okay. Tariff setting policy is required. Then global GL setting policy, global GL setting policy, display setup, report setup, okay. So basically sort of the major criteria is required and for the running the applications, okay. Running the accounting system is firstly is required the customer master data, but it is not sometimes is regular mandatory, so it is depends upon the is a perfect way will be whenever will be go live to your systems. And also supplier master data, it is not mandatory, but same thing have the it is a good for the one time will be upload, then will be one by one will be record, then will be put. And is same is closings and item master data and tax policy, tariff, global GL setting, display settings, and also the it is for the and also the display setting under the basically have the fiscal year, okay. Fiscal year setting, fiscal year setup also is required, okay. Fiscal year setup is also is required. So this is the more comprehensive, and this is all configuration is required. I will be show to you the one by one how to the configure, how to the upload your data into the systems, okay. So I think is thank you for the today's session. This is the part 1. I'll be show the configuration is demo in second tutorials and part 2. So hopefully you will be good. If you have any questions, and then will be and post you that YouTube blogs and also my blog, then I will be try to my answer from my end, okay. Thank you, and waiting for my next tutorials for part 2 for the system analysis and design on the accounting systems.